Do you know that most of the business are struggling to create an ads to reach more people? So we are going to grab this opportunity and make some money from it. If we create some of the amazing video ads for various business, they will even give 1000 to 5000 rupees per ads because most of the business are dependent to grow their business through social media only. So if you make attractive video ads for them, they give whatever money you charge them. So in today's video, we are going to see how to create attractive and stunning video ads by using an AI. So grab your coffee and let's do this. Before that, if you want to learn more side hustle like this, then I recommend you to check out the playlist in the above cards. First of all, go to the AI website called Creatify. The link is also in the description. Check it out. Now, this is not a free website. You need to upgrade to create a video ad. But in a free version, they give 10 credits per month. In that 10 credits, you can create an duration of 2 minutes video. If you are serious about this side hustle, I recommend you to upgrade it because even if you use the free credits to make an ad, the watermark will come through it. It is a very useful website. Even if you are running a business, you can use it to make your own video ad for your business. You can see there are various avatars. You can use it to make an ad. And also you can use your own avatar by uploading your clear image. Now click the product video section. You will see this interface. Now upload your proper product photo and choose the avatar whether you want male or female for your video ad. After that, describe how the product should appear, such as in this video, I have taken a face wash cream as a product. So I tell that the model should hold the product in his hand with an excited face expression in the bathroom. Likewise, describe the model how to handle the product. After that, choose the aspect ratio of the ad and click generate preview image. At first, it will create an image only. Afterwards, click AI generate video and wait for some times. It will create an amazing video ad. But to add voice to the avatar, you need to upgrade. Don't worry, I have an idea. Download the video ad, go to Speechma or any other AI generated website, give prompt and download a AI audio. Then go to video editor and merge this audio and the video ad. That's all. Your video ad is ready. Now I am going to tell that how to earn money from this side hustle. Find a business that are creating terrible ads. You can find them on Instagram. After that, DM them that I saw your video ads. That's amazing, but it needs some small improvement to reach more people. So I am happy to make some stunning video ads for your business. After that, give the offer and set a low price at the starting stage. You should also promote your skill in Instagram by creating an account and posting it. You can also work as a freelancer by creating an seller account in Fiverr. At last, if you have a business, create attractive video ads for your business and reach more people. That's all. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Comment what do you think of this side hustle. Follow us on Instagram and Telegram for future updates. See you in an amazing video. Take care.